Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to reduce motion on the X app, also known as Twitter, when you're using it on your PC. If you've noticed that the animations and transitions feel a bit distracting or make the experience less comfortable, this simple adjustment can help create a smoother and calmer browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're on the main interface, look toward the left-hand side for the menu. You'll see an option labeled More. Click that to expand additional settings. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a list of options that allow you to manage everything from your account preferences to privacy settings. In our case, we're focusing on accessibility, so look for Accessibility, Display, and Languages, and click on it. Next, choose Accessibility. This is where you'll find several options to help make your experience more comfortable and tailored to your needs. One of those options is called Reduce Motion. Go ahead and check the box or toggle next to Reduce Motion. Once you do, animations and visual effects across the X interface, like transitions between screens and tweet pop-ups, will become much simpler and less dynamic. It won't remove all movement, but it will definitely calm things down, making the app easier on your eyes and overall smoother to use. That's it, no complicated steps. Just a quick setting change that can make a noticeable difference. If you spend a lot of time scrolling through your feed, this can reduce fatigue and make your browsing sessions feel more comfortable. And remember, you can always go back and adjust these settings anytime you like. If you ever want the motion effects back, simply revisit the same menu and uncheck the Reduce Motion option. Thanks for watching.